Evolution is an interactive business simulation that places you as the user in charge of a bicycle manufacturing company. Within your company, there's many different departments, and you can choose to make decisions across these departments in order to build and grow your company and make them as successful as possible. For example, you can navigate to the location department in order to choose where your company is physically based, and also to make sure that your workers have enough space to perform their jobs effectively. Or you can navigate to the production department in order to set your production levels for the coming quarter. The promotions department allows you to choose which methods you want to use to promote your products in order to generate as many orders as possible. Or you can even invest in designing a new product to release into the bicycle market. You can view more information about the starting position of your company and other details about the markets within the briefing screen here. You may wish to review the history of your company to see how your company is performing at present against a range of different metrics. Along the top of the screen, we have some financial indicators and also information about your orders and sales in the current quarter. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have some financial data in these charts from your profit and loss and your bank balance. And on the right-hand side of the screen, we have information regarding our allocation of resources, but also some gauges in the bottom right, which maybe point you towards areas that you can focus on in the medium term. You can scroll backwards and forwards between different departments to see how your company has performed over time and use the data to make decisions going forward. To make a decision within the simulation, simply navigate to the department you want to make a decision in. Each department has a change strategy button at the bottom right, so click here. And I'm simply going to increase my production for the next quarter up to 600, and I'll confirm that change down at the bottom. Before making decisions across different departments, you may wish to look at the guidance, which is different for each department and explains the impact of your decisions and the interaction between different departments as well. Once you're happy that you've made decisions across all the areas that you want to, you can proceed to run the quarter forward into the next quarter. Once the quarter has completed running, you can review the performance of your company and see what the impact of your decisions were.